Hello everyone and welcome to a lift tour of Puke Ariki in New Plymouth. Now Puke Ariki, for those of you who don't know, is a large museum slash library and information centre right in the centre of New Plymouth CBD, and there is several lifts here for us to take a look at. So we are going to begin first of all with the glass lift outside the front of the building. And this lift is a 1990s Otis hydraulic lift that uses a mix of Series 1 and concave. So it's basically just like a hybrid design of when Otis was transitioning from one design to the other. Down it comes. Still leveling. This is one of the lifts at the Puke Ariki Museum. It's a 1990s Otis hydraulic lift. If I stand back here, you can probably see both the indicator and out the window at the same time. We are up at level 1. Ground back to ground. And yeah, a lovely view of New Plymouth out there. (1,150 kgs or 17 persons. Go back up to level 1. Yeah, it's quite a nice scenic lift, this one. I have filmed this lift before. Many years ago though. We are up at level 1. There it goes. And that's it. And now to the next lift, which is the lift inside the museum itself. Now this lift has actually since been modernised since I shot the original video. So just like the last lift, this lift was originally a 1990s Otis concave slash Series 1 hybrid design as shown here on the video. However though, since filming the original video of this lift has been modernised and it now has Vega fixtures, and it's now also had a voice unit as added in as well. Now I'm not exactly sure who did the modernisation. Part of me thinks it was Kone, as they have got the current maintenance contract for this lift, but the other part of me also thinks that it could have been Otis as well, as Otis have sometimes used Vega fixtures in their modernisations. Vega fixtures. I can't tell if this lift has been modernised yet or not, or whether it's just had new outside cool fixtures fitted. We're on ground, or LG as the lift calls it. Oh yeah, it has been modernised. It's been modernised. I would say this is a 1990s Otis lift. I'd say this modernisation has been done by Otis, but I'm not actually sure, but it could have been done by Kone though, because it is maintained by Kone though. The floor numbering here doesn't even match the floor numbering that's outside of the lift though, for some weird reason. But anyway, here we are up at level 2. Oh, it's got Tadeo voice announcements. Go back to lower ground, all ground. 1,500 kgs or 22 persons. It's a hydraulic lift. It's got a look at the cab. doesn't say who modernised it. I'm not sure whether it was Otis or Kone who modernised it, because this lift is currently maintained by Kone. There it goes. And that's it. And now we go across the bridge and into our next lift. Now this lift was originally a huge vintage Otis lift, which was first of all modernised by Otis with concave buttons and Series 1 floor indicators and chimes as shown here on the screen. However though, since I filmed the original video of this lift has since been modernised again, and it has now been modernised by Kone with KDS 330 fixtures and dot matrix floor indicators. Well, this lift has had modernisation done by Kone since I last filmed it. See, it's got new delta key locked fist, the original drop key. See, it was originally an Otis, but now it's a Kone. "26 pairs or 1,950 kgs. Don't know if this has still got the original motor, if it's been converted to Eco Disc or not.
Basement.
It's very smooth though.
Going up.
Go to level 3. No, we can only go as high as level 2.
Second floor. Going down.
Door controls light up. Are we stopping or not? Oh no, we're not.
Basement.
Take it back up to 2. Let's get a look at the cab. It's got quite a nice interior.
Going up.
Yep, back up to level 2 we go. So this was originally a huge vintage Otis lift that's been modernised by Kone. I remember filming it before it was modernised. Doesn't say when it was modernised though, unfortunately. Right.
Going up.
There it goes. And that's it. And now into the last lift on our lift tour. Now this lift is actually a lift that I missed when I shot the original video about 7 or 8 years ago now. And this lift is a small single-speed vintage Otis lift which has had a modernisation done by Otis using concave fixtures and Series 1 floor indicators and chimes. So yeah, let's take a look at it. This is the small Otis lift at Puke Ariki in New Plymouth. It's been modernised as Series 1, 907 kgs or 13 persons. But it's been modernised with a mix of Series 1 and concave. Here we are up at level 1. green buttons. It's got quite a nice cabinet in it, as you can see. It's maintained by Kone. There it goes. And that's it.